You are welcome to my page. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to insert page numbering into your document, and I'll be showing you two types of numbering. So to start, you first open your document, go to Insert, then Page Number, then Bottom of Page. Here you can decide to insert your numbering at the left, middle, right, this format, or this format, or you can choose from other formats. But I've decided to number it in the middle, so I'll select this. Here you can see my pages are numbered starting from 1. And if you have this footer, you can remove it by clicking on the close header and footer. Now everything is clear. And my pages are numbered starting from 1 to right up to the end. Now, we want to change this numeric to Roman numerals. And to do this, you first need to number it like we did before. Then you go to Insert again. Page number. This time around, we choose the Format Page Numbers. Here, we change the numeric to Roman numerals. You can decide to choose any numbering format you want, but I choose numerals, Roman numerals. Then at the Start At, we select that. You can decide to start your numbering from I, or even IV. But I want to start the page numbering from I. So I bring it to I and then OK. Here my page numbering has changed to the Roman numerals, as you can see. Don't forget to like. If you want to number both in one document by breaking the page, check out that video in this channel. Thank you.